So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. All right, the next topic, guys, is how to make $100,000 a year with Lyft.
That's a crazy salary.
Yeah, this is on the
$100K a year.
Yeah, it's pretty good. This is on the Rideshare Guy.
Oh yeah, he has a nice website.
For real. Can Uber drivers really make $100K a year? A breakdown. So basically what you got to do, 11 hours a day, $600, $900.
That's crazy.
If you drive if you can make 100,000 a year, I mean, you could probably buy a house.
Yeah. Honestly, yeah.
These are huge bonuses. $50 bonus for one ride.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Okay, so you want to read this part right here?
Yeah. Is it possible for an Uber and Lyft driver to earn $100K a year? Mathematically, yes, especially in Los Angeles. Here's my breakdown.
Yeah, if you drive in LA, you got a lot, and make sure you got a Uber Black, because you'll get a lot of those. You got a lot of bougie influencers, TikTokers. Got people like Izzy ordering rides. Didn't you say you ordered Uber Black in LA a lot?
Yeah, every day. I'd order 3 to 4 Uber Blacks a day.
Where are you going? You going to Earth Cafe?
Yeah, Boa, Saddle Ranch, Catch.
If you're going to Catch or Boa, you got to take Uber Black.
Yeah, you don't want to pull up outside
in a Prius,
in a regular car. Yeah, that's not it.
Imagine getting out of a Toyota Camry.
Yeah, that's so embarrassing.
You got to get out of an Escalade, man.
Or a G-Wagon.
A G-Wagon's not even Uber Black.
Oh, wait, what?
It's like
what
Uber.
The heck?
It's like Uber Comfort.
Oh.
So, guys, basically, yeah, you want to drive in a city. You want to hit the bonuses. You want to do airport rides, and you want to do Uber XL or Uber Black.
Yeah.
Or Lyft Black. Sorry, this one's for Lyft, but yeah.
Yeah.
So, and again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.